Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds Cellularline FLICK with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard, then write Bluetooth, and if you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click Enter. Then, at the right top, you will see the button Add Device. If you have Windows 10, you will see this button at the top. Press on it. In this window, you need to select Bluetooth. And now we can enter to pairing mode. So, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. Your headphones enter to pairing mode automatically. You know it by the LED light, what blinking blue and red. If your headphones already connected with some device, you need to or disconnect it or unpair them from that device. So then you will see them at the device list and you need to press at your headphones. Now click Done, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!